Hello everyone. Monkey Island in Florida, USA is a small island near Homosassa, home to a group of monkeys living in a reserve that has attracted many visitors with their cuteness. However, in early 2024, numerous reports indicated that these monkeys had escaped and ventured deeper into human-inhabited areas. With nearly 1 million wild monkeys, human life here has become disrupted, causing significant damage. So what damage have they caused in Florida, and how have the people here overcome this situation? Let's find out right after this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. In Union, a group of rhesus macaques caused significant disruption when they broke into an apartment while the residents were away. These monkeys invaded the kitchen, destroying food supplies and overturning appliances. They didn't stop there. They also damaged furniture, tore down curtains, and even broke electronic devices. The estimated cost of the damage amounted to around $650, covering the replacement of broken items, furniture repairs, and cleaning. Have you ever experienced or heard of such unexpected wildlife encounters in urban areas? The situation escalated further with a report from Glades, Florida on July 25, 2024. A man named Tom was attacked by a group of these monkeys, suffering a severe bite wound on his hand. Despite initially bandaging the wound, Tom experienced severe dizziness while driving 3 days later, causing him to lose control and crash his car. After being rushed to the hospital, Tom underwent emergency treatment and testing. It was revealed that he had contracted a virus from the monkeys through the wound. Although he is now out of immediate danger, he faces a long-term treatment plan to manage the effects of the virus. What steps do you believe should be taken to prevent the spread of viruses from wildlife to humans? To protect their communities from wild monkey intrusions and attacks, Florida hunters have increased their efforts. The most common and preferred method for controlling the monkey population is hunting with guns. Hunters typically choose suitable firearms such as small caliber rifles like .22 or air guns due to their accuracy and minimal damage. It's crucial that hunters ensure their guns are permitted for monkey hunting in the designated area, possess all necessary licenses, and are over 18 years old. Do you think using small caliber rifles is effective in managing the monkey population? Additionally, optics play a significant role in hunting, and a good quality scope can enhance accuracy, especially when targeting small animals such as monkeys. Binoculars are also valuable for scouting and identifying targets from a distance. Before embarking on a hunting journey, hunters must first assess their surroundings to ensure a safe shooting environment. This includes checking for any people, animals, or other obstacles that could pose a risk of being hit. How important do you think it is to have the right equipment and to check the environment before hunting? When a hunter spots prey, they must clearly identify the monkey as the target to avoid accidentally harming non-target species, including protected animals. Ensuring a safe stop behind the target is essential to prevent the bullet from traveling further and potentially causing harm or damage. Preparation for the shot involves the hunter staying calm and properly positioning themselves, using aids such as a shooting stick or bipod for balance, and aligning the aiming point or scope on the target. Furthermore, the hunter must be within effective range to shoot accurately and kill the prey quickly and humanely. Once ready and all safety checks are completed, the hunter should make a precise and ethical shot in a vital area, usually the head or chest, to ensure a quick and humane kill. After the shot, observing the monkey's reaction is crucial. If the monkey does not fall immediately, the hunter should be prepared to shoot again to prevent prolonged suffering. Do you believe these precautions are sufficient to ensure humane hunting practices? In particular, approaching the fallen monkey cautiously is necessary to confirm its death. If the animal is still alive, another shot may be needed to end its suffering. Depending on local regulations, hunters may need to record the kill and report it to the Wildlife Management Agency, aiding in wildlife management and conservation efforts. Additionally, throughout the process, hunters must maintain ethical hunting practices, including respect for local laws, the environment, and the species being hunted. Additionally, hunting monkeys in Florida involves a range of legal, ethical, and safety considerations that must be carefully navigated. One of the primary concerns is ensuring compliance with state and federal regulations. These laws govern hunting practices, including the status of protected species, designated hunting seasons, and approved methods. Understanding and adhering to these regulations is crucial for legal hunting activities. Understanding the behavior and habitat of monkeys is also essential for effective hunting. Monkeys are known for their intelligence and agility, making them challenging targets. They can swiftly escape or hide in dense vegetation, requiring hunters to exercise great skill and patience. Do you agree with this method? If yes, please like the video. If no, leave the number 0 in the comment section to share your opinion. In recent years, the rise in beekeeping among Americans has significantly contributed to the nation's impressive honey consumption, totaling around 600 million pounds annually. This surge in honey use extends beyond sweetening beverages and foods. It plays a crucial role in cooking, baking, and various health and beauty products. However, this boom in honey production has also inadvertently drawn the interest of an estimated 700,000 giant bears. So what caused this incident? Let's find out together, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to express your curiosity.
It looks so scruffy.
Bears are known to have a particular fondness for honey. With their keen sense of smell, they can detect honey and bee larvae from quite a distance, which often attracts them to residential areas where beehives are kept. Have you ever seen or heard of bears raiding beehives in your area? Once a hive is located, the bear uses its claws and teeth to open it, causing significant damage to the hive's structure while consuming the honey and larvae. Bears are willing to endure numerous bee stings to access these nutritious foods, often leading to substantial destruction. This behavior causes losses to honey farmers amounting to about 90 million USD each year. How do you think farmers can better protect their hives from bear attack? Furthermore, bears tend to be more active at night, making them more likely to raid beehives after dark when there is less human activity. On July 5, 2024, in the town of Simsbury, Connecticut, residents reported that a black bear repeatedly invaded backyards and broke into beehives to eat honey, causing significant damage and disappointment among local beekeepers. Have you heard about other towns facing similar issues with bears? In addition to targeting beehives, bears are also known to break into people's homes in search of food. They may find open windows, sliding glass doors, or weak entry points and push their way inside.
Come on.
Their strength allows them to break through fragile screens or doors that are not securely closed. On July 18, 2024, a black bear in Tahoe Vista, California, broke into a house through the kitchen window. Attracted by the smell of food, the bear climbed onto the kitchen counter and rummaged through the kitchen cabinets and refrigerator. The bear caused significant damage to the kitchen in its search for food. How would you react if you found a bear rummaging through your kitchen? Understanding the damage bears cause to the community, residents have taken proactive measures by installing electric fences to prevent bears from entering. These fences are powered by energizers, the core components that convert electricity into high-voltage pulses. Energizers can be powered by AC, D, or solar panels, making them adaptable to different energy sources and locations. Have you considered which energy source might be the most efficient for your area? To ensure effectiveness, the fence must be high enough to prevent bears from climbing over it, typically between 6 to 8 feet. Additionally, the wire must be placed close enough together to prevent bears from squeezing through. Using multiple ropes at different heights, including near the ground, helps to stop bears from crawling under or over the fence. It is also important to keep the fence clear of vegetation to avoid ground contact and maintain the effectiveness of the charge. What methods do you think would work best to keep the vegetation under control? In particular, the effectiveness of electric fences in preventing bears is multifaceted. Firstly, they act as a deterrent, providing a physical and psychological barrier. The initial shock a bear receives when touching the fence often prevents further attempts to breach it. Electric fences can also be customized to fit various terrains and property sizes, making them versatile for different environments where bears may be present. However, there are challenges to using electric fences for bear prevention. Vegetation management is crucial, as trees and weeds can short out fences by touching electrical wires, necessitating regular cleaning and maintenance. Do you agree with this method? If yes, please like the video. If no, leave the number 0 in the comment section to share your opinion. Additionally, fences are only a temporary measure and cannot effectively prevent the effects of bears in the U.S., leading residents to cooperate with hunters to organize bear hunts. To participate, hunters must obtain a state-issued hunting license, often requiring the completion of a hunter training course. Additionally, they need a bear hunting tag or license specific to the area and species they intend to hunt. Have you ever considered the process involved in acquiring a hunting license? Furthermore, bear hunting is restricted to specific seasons, varying by state and region, and hunters must adhere to these designated times.
You can see the bullet impact.
They are also required to comply with state and federal regulations, which include restrictions on hunting methods, permissible areas, and the types of firearms and ammunition allowed. Typically, hunters use large caliber rifles such as the .36 or .300 Win Mag. Essential gear for a successful hunt includes appropriate clothing, binoculars, GPS, a map, bear spray, and safety equipment. Do you find the gear necessary for hunting surprising?
Wacky.
When hunting, hunters rely on signs and tracks to locate bears, such as footprints, scat, and feeding areas. They use calls to mimic bear sounds or the cries of prey to attract bears. Tracking techniques involve visual observation with binoculars to scan the landscape for movement and bear signs, and scopes for distant observation, especially in open terrain. Additionally, hunters listen for various bear sounds, including growling and rustling through vegetation. When a bear is detected, ethical hunters aim for vital areas like the heart and lungs to ensure a quick and humane kill. Are you familiar with these hunting techniques? In particular, hunting bears with guns is effective for population control, helping to manage bear numbers and reduce the likelihood of bears entering human habitats in search of food. It also minimizes nuisance bears by targeting specific problem bears that frequently encroach on human-inhabited areas, thereby reducing instances of bear-human conflict. However, hunting bears presents challenges. It requires significant skill and precision to ensure a humane kill, as improper shooting can injure the bear, leading to dangerous situations and prolonged suffering. Moreover, tracking and approaching bears can be difficult due to their habitats in dense forests, rugged mountains, and remote areas. What do you think are the biggest challenges hunters face when tracking bears? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Current estimated elephant population is about 10,000. These majestic creatures are primarily found in states like Florida, Georgia, and Idaho, where they gather in significant numbers. Understanding the distribution and habits of these elephants is vital to creating an engaging and informative farm documentary that highlights their impact and interactions in these areas. Today, join us to delve into the formidable challenges posed by elephants and explore effective strategies for managing these giants. Don't forget to leave number 1 to share your excitement. In the United States, elephants have caused significant agricultural losses, amounting to an annual financial impact of $12 million USD. These majestic animals, while an incredible sight, pose a substantial threat to farming communities. Specific crops such as corn, wheat, and various fruits are particularly vulnerable to elephant incursions. The damage to crops not only disrupts local economies, but also threatens the livelihood of countless farmers who rely on these yields for their sustenance and income. The movement of elephants has led to significant traffic disruptions, causing severe traffic jams. These large animals can suddenly wander onto the road, causing traffic congestion. The presence of elephants on highways not only inconveniences motorists, but also causes serious safety concerns. For drivers, the sudden appearance of such large creatures can lead to accidents, threatening human life. At the same time, elephants themselves are at risk of injury or death from collisions with vehicles. These interactions highlight the urgent need for effective measures to manage elephant movements and ensure the safety of both operators and these majestic animals. Dealing with the increasing elephant population in the United States has led to the consideration of various measures, including the use of firearms. To regulate this, strict licensing requirements for using guns have been put in place. These requirements ensure that only qualified individuals who have undergone proper training and background checks are permitted to handle firearms for managing elephant-related issues. This measure aims to balance the need for immediate action in protecting human life and property with the responsibility of ensuring that firearms are used safely and ethically. The use of guns in managing the elephant population in the United States offers several advantages. Firstly, it provides a quick response to imminent threats, ensuring that any dangerous situations involving elephants can be swiftly neutralized. This rapid intervention is crucial in protecting human lives and reducing the risk of severe injury. The use of guns can potentially reduce immediate danger to both humans and property, as it allows for the immediate removal of an aggressive or dangerously close elephant. By addressing the threat promptly, guns help minimize the potential for accidents and property damage, contributing to the safety and security of affected communities. However, using guns to manage elephant populations poses some significant disadvantages. There are strong ethical concerns and animal welfare issues associated with this method. Elephants are intelligent, social animals, and hunting raises ethical questions, often leading to public outcry and criticism from animal rights groups. Furthermore, in densely populated or agricultural areas, it can unintentionally harm wildlife, domestic pets, or even humans.
Low, shoot again.
Additionally, reliance on guns can escalate conflicts, potentially leading to more aggressive elephant behavior and creating a cycle of violence that complicates long-term management efforts. Thus, while guns may offer a quick solution to immediate threats, the broader implications suggest the need for more humane and sustainable approaches. How do you think we can balance the need for safety and humane treatment in managing elephant populations? Addressing these challenges requires balanced and humane solutions. While the use of guns for managing elephant populations offers immediate responses to threats, it raises ethical concerns and potential for unintended harm. Thus, it is crucial to develop strategies that not only mitigate the damage caused by elephants, but also ensure their welfare, promoting coexistence between humans and elephants in a sustainable manner. What are your thoughts on using guns to manage elephant populations? If you have ideas for more effective and humane methods to protect these magnificent creatures, please share them in the comments below. We encourage you to share this video with your friends and family to raise awareness. Be sure to follow our channel for more engaging and informative content. Your insights and support are invaluable to us.